Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the weather in Minecraft super easily, using simple commands. Whether you want clear skies, rain, or even a thunderstorm, I'll show you exactly how to control it. Let's get started. First, make sure that cheats are enabled in your Minecraft world. If you're in creative mode, cheats are usually already turned on. If you're in survival mode, you can open your world to LAN and enable allow cheats. On. Without cheats, the commands won't work. Press the T key on your keyboard to open the chat window. This is where you'll type the commands to change the weather. Now type one of these commands, depending on what you want. To make the weather sunny and clear, /weather clear. To make it rain, /weather rain. To start a thunderstorm, /weather thunder. After typing the command, just press enter. And the weather will change immediately. You can also set how long you want the weather to last, in seconds. Example, /weather rain 600. This command will make it rain for 600 seconds. That's about 10 minutes in real time. You can adjust the number for shorter or longer rainstorms. If you want to lock the weather and keep it sunny forever, type this command, /game rule do weather cycle false. Now the weather will stay exactly the way you set it. No more random rain or storms. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to change the weather in Minecraft anytime you want. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Minecraft command tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.